To ensure your investment, make sure to deal only with a licensed broker or accredited salesperson. Marina Aldo, this is Sasa, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And I have another brand new and a corner lot home for sale here in Pampanga. And this one's very close to Marquee Mall. And kung mga from Manila naman, you just have to go on Angeles exit. Andito na yung subdivision na to. And also, this is secured. Now, for the facade, you have a very aesthetic and modern mix of a facade. And right here, ito mga stones na to pwede maglagay ng mga nakahang na plants dyan. So, dyan na sila mag-uugat, mag-roots, diba? And this side, on this corner, buong corner naka-landscape na siya. And pagpasok naman natin ng pedestrian gate natin, we have two features here. On this side is your two-vehicle carport with automated gate, fully covered, and high ceiling. It's very aesthetic lang yung color niya. And this side naman, you have access, another door here, access going to your auxiliary kitchen, and a door for your maid's room. And this area naman is your provision for your laundry area. Ito na yung provision for the washing machine. Automated gate na sabi ko ba? You have automated gate for your carport. And another corner for this house, which adds accent for the facade. You have a pocket garden on this side, and then ang backdrop niya is natural stone. This one. I like it. And three-step going on this. Another corner naman. May mga potted plants ka na going on this corner. Is your own pool. This is a decent size for a dipping pool. And stone cladding yung mga ginamit nila for the accent ng wall ng swimming pool. And of course, meron siyang outdoor shower. This corner. And I also love yung ganito yung area going to your swimming pool. Even yung porch nyo, ang lawak. This is a corner lot and covered yung porch nyo. This is a spacious porch. This one. I'll see you inside. Welcome to your dream home. Oof. Fully furnished. This house is fully furnished, no? Okay, for your door, you have a above standard solid wood and also smart digital lock na yung pinaka main door lock niya. And equipped with CCTV yung buong bahay. Well, sa mga common areas yan. Pagpasok ng main door, you have a furnished living room na. So, just imagine, pagpasok nyo agad, very welcoming na yung living area nyo. Very modern yung drop lights na ginamit nila. And buong wall na to is entertainment wall. I also like yung aircon niya. Parang medyo naka-embed. So, hindi masyadong expose yung buong aircon dahil nga naman ang laki ng aircon. At least 75-inch TV kasya pa sa wall na to. And gusto ko yung maraming drawers. Spacious. You have a spacious living area. Just look at your living area. And moving on this corner naman, you have another furnished dining area with 6-seater na as of now. And may mga nakalagay na, may nakaset up ng 6 dining sets. That's included. Aesthetic din yung drop lights na ginamit. Oo, ganun yung na to, developer. Ganyan yung mga lighting niya. Very modern na. And we also have a natural ventilation coming from this sliding doors here. And also very accessible sa mga nagsiswimming because you have your own pool for this house. You have a covered lanai dito. Ang gaganda ng plants din. And also another access going to your dipping pool. So, ito siya. From your pedestrian gate, dalawa yung access going here. Diba? Ma-enjoy talaga kung sino man yung nandito. Kasi you have extension pa ng table nyo dyan. Just look how open yung layout ng bahay na to from your lanai. Ang ganda niya tignan dito because of the warm colors and match lang yung mga light colors. Very earth tone yung ginamit for the house. And from your dining area, this is your formal kitchen naman. And good thing I like the high stool for your breakfast nook. That wide, 3 chairs pa yung nakalagay. And ito na yung where you can cook na. So you have 4-burner stove here with range hood na rin. High ceiling. And sa likod naman yan is yung, ang cute ng setup ng ano na to, formal kitchen. Ang ganda ng mga cabinets. Countertop is quartz. You have your large sink. Ang ganda nito. Yung overhead na to. You can still put dito yung mga coffee grounds nyo. Overhead cabinets. Hanggang taas actually. Hanggang ceiling yung taas niya. Even yung microwave nyo ang laki. Hindi ka mabuksan. Even yung microwave gets included. Now for this one naman, this could be a provision for your oven. This side. Ayan. And also you have a brand new Tudor fridge for this house. And I think I'll go back on this side kasi meron tong bedroom dito sa baba, which you can access through this barn door dito. Ito para siyang hidden na room. Ayan. We have the first room dito sa baba. That side yung cabinets niya na included. High ceiling and it's very warm. And the guest room na to, may ano na siya, sariling toilet and bath. Oh, I like your toilet and bath for this room. Shower area with heater. Kitang-kita na. Toilet right here and you have your large sink. So this is your bedroom number 1 with toilet and bath. And may view pa siya no. Etong lanay and swimming pool. Since I am here na, I'll show you this under the staircase, which is very useful kasi nagawa pa siyang another storage. And for our guest powder room. Even yung guest powder room, yung ang laki pala. And another door, of course, going to your outdoor kitchen naman. Yung outdoor kitchen nyo, you have a window pa with this blinds. Tapos pwede pa siyang with natural ventilation. Just slide this. Ito na yung natural ventilation for your outdoor kitchen. For this one naman, you have a 4-burner stove. Siguro yung degas na to with range hood as well. Overhead cabinets, a large sink, and another storage. And another door. Going back to our carport. I guess nasabi ko naman from your carport kanina. This is your area for your helper's room. And dito siya. And then separate also yung toilet and bath naman ng helpers natin on this side. Let's go back again. And that's it for the ground floor. Let's check naman yung mga nasa second floor, which is the rest of the bedrooms. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media page. That's Next Level Properties. And this one pala, going up, may tubular accent dito that separates from your living area. Going to this. Yun yung ano niya, partition. You have a wooden staircase and you have a fixed window on that part of the wall and a very modern light fixture. And you have a second floor landing area. Oh, another reading corner for this one. Just add a 2-seater sofa set dito. And right here we have our second bedroom. The house is semi-furnished, so sa mga rooms wala na siyang included na gamit. I guess this is where your headboard goes. This one. Kasha yung double size na mattress dito. Of course, you have your own ano dyan, where you can put your own television. And good thing, this room, meron siyang sariling balcony. Then this room naman is siya yung may view ng front of the property. Ang ganda. Tahimik din for this subdivision. This is your junior master suite. Meron siyang suite. Ayan. May mini walk-in closet on this side. And gusto ko yung door ng cabinet may mirror na. Ayan. And you have a toilet and bath na dito. Shower area on that part, toilet, and the sink dito. And this one, ito yung window, and then ang view niya yung balcony niya doon. For this room. Spacious room. Ito yung parang another corner for this room. Could be a study table na or a vanity area. Ganun pa siya ka-spacious. Doon yung bed, dito yung study area niya. For this room. Next room is this one. Okay. Uy, gusto ko to! May bay window! So this is your study corner. So, bay window for this. Bedroom number 3 dito sa taas. That's it. Ang cute niya. Ang cute ng layout nito. And then corner here, aesthetic cabinet. Look at the matching colors. Next room is this one. I mean, next door is this one, of course. For the bedroom number 3, ito yung shower area niya. Shower area. Ooh, a glass partition. Oh, I like this one. Sa taas niya may mini cabinet. Overhead nitong sink. I mean toilet. And your sink, ang laki-laki with mirror. Next door. What do we have here? Oh, another room. And of course, with this bay window. Just imagine, nandito lang sila. Yung mga bay window, di ba, nilalagyan lang natin ng foam para naman relaxing talaga siya upuan. This is where your headboard goes. Kasha yung double or twin para naman maluwag pa rin. Then same thing with the cabinet na included. Static colors. Bedroom number 4. And then lastly, our primary bedroom, of course. Right this corner. You have a spacious primary bedroom. This one. And the furnished. Kasama na to sa sale ng bahay na to. High ceiling, and then you also have a balcony. And gusto ko dito sa primary bedroom na to, yung upper part niya may window na, may fixed window to add some natural light dito. Then, hindi naka-open yung ilaw niya. Static cabinet. Good thing may mga shelves in the middle of the cabinet. So, parang separate kayo husband and wife. Ganun. And door. Another door for your shower area. You have your sink. Kasing laki ng isang room. And then yung toilet. And then the shower area on this side. And di ko masara actually. Hindi ko mabuksan. And then I guess for this one, yung mga gustong separate pa rin yung walk-in closet na yan, pwede naman mag-add ng door pa dito, yung gano'n. Daputan naman tayo sa harap na property. Sa balcony ng primary bedroom nyo, where I would do your quick recap for this house. Okay, for the quick recap, this house sits at 207 square meters for the lot area, and you have 272 square meters for your floor area. This is 5 bedroom with 4 toilet and bath. You have 1 maid room with own toilet and bath as well, and the house comes semi-furnished. You also have a 2-vehicle carport with automated gate, and meron na kayong tipping pool. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Sasaya Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on our next video. Have here another brand new home, and this one's located here in Angeles City. The subdivision is